man. He supports man, or he takes part with man. When he is describing the conflict between man and woman, he is always with the woman. Here in the book, the name of the village or the place is Marlot,
Marlot.
which mars the lot of the people, or which mars lots of the people. Here also, he very clearly writes, some people would like to know whence the poet, whose philosophy is in these days deemed as profound and trustworthy, as his song is breezy and pure, gets his authority for speaking of nature's holy plan. No, perhaps Hardy believed, no, just opposite to Browning's concept, everything is well with the world, God is in heaven. Hardy perhaps thinks that everything is
not so
well with the world, God is not in his heaven. No, and he even in the second chapter, when Abraham and Tess are going, no, in the cart,
in the cart.
Abraham asks about the stars, and she says we are also having this kind of existence upon the stars.
Yes.
And Abraham asks,
Yes, we
is
have
it?
taken it.
Yes.
In the
So,
slide.
yeah.
Yes. Now, from the themes, the other major theme is about the double standards of the society relating to sex. Gender issue is addressed for the first time very clearly before the readers of the late Victorian age. So, as I said, there are some quotations which I would like to take from the book about Tess's fate. It is, once victim, always the victim. That is the law. The other is, Tess, more sinned against than sinning, has paid the great penalty. That is about the execution of Tess, because she is not a sinner, but the irony is that she is treated like a sinner, like a criminal, though she is more sinned against by the others, by her husband, by the seducer, by the society at large, by her parents also, but then she pays the great penalty in the end.
Right.
Then, as you said, Hardy believes in the element of fate.
See,
He
here it
has
is.
quoted from King Lear in his preface. He says, as flies to wanton boys are we to the gods, they kill us for their sport.
No?
That is from King Lear.
God is not very benevolent, perhaps.
Yes.
And that was the objection with people. No,
Yes.
the novel was not
And
well
as you
received,
were
perhaps.
telling us just now, Tess calls this planet a blighted one.
Right.
Yes.
No, see, right from the beginning, perhaps she is
Yeah,
having
it
this
is
kind of
in the beginning of the novel.
negative. Shall we call it?
Pessimistic
Perhaps,
picture.
yes, perhaps because of her circumstances, because of her position, whatever it is, no. But there is a sense of pessimism in the novel.
But in fact, we can also take it from the other point of view, that since Tess rejects the reality that is around her and she asks for a better life, that means that there is a sign of evolution in this society. Hardy, we can say that as a poet, he sees that some other life is coming, because
In a way,
otherwise she would have adjusted herself in
Here,
that.
see, there's a. I find a similar case in Scarlet Letter, for example.
Yes, Hawthorne's Scarlet
Hawthorne's
Letter.
Scarlet
Yes,
Letter,
yes.
Where poor woman is seduced, having a daughter Pearl, and ultimately she has a kind of redemption.
Yeah.
The A for adultery, she is compelled to wear a kind of.
No, she loved that
Scarlet
man, but
Letter.
that man
Yeah,
was
yes.
not bold enough to
But
accept.
here the girl is more unfortunate that she doesn't get a chance of redeeming herself or even proving her purity.
And live a life.
Certainly, even towards the end, she justifies why she killed Alec. No?
Because there is death, we can say it is a tragic novel, because if she had a chance to live, then we could have said that there is a hope.
Not only that, she is also condemned as a murderer.
Yes.
more
She is
sin than
found a
sinner
criminal,
is
yeah.
double sin, you would say. The society would see her to be a greatest sinner rather.
Yes.
First sin is that she is seduced. Of course, in the book there is a quote. I mean, there is a line, "Thy damnation slumbereth not."
Yes. That
Constantly repeated. And second thing is, she gives birth to a child, a virgin mother, of course,
yes.
to be worshipped only in books, perhaps.
But
in
she has
actual
been
reality-
compared with a goddess. She is like a goddess. She is like a goddess, earth goddess.
And third thing, a murderess.
yes.
Now the society would not tolerate, and we know the end. Even when she murders, very clearly, after killing Alec, she rushes to Angel, because Angel comes back to after having read the letter. Angel's parents send him the letter. Angel reads the letter. It's a very touching letter, my dear friends. I would certainly ask you to go through the letter. No, even a
Through the
stone
whole
heart
novel,
would
yes.
melt. Tess has very nicely described her circumstances, and that changes the heart of Angel. Sorry, Angel goes to take her back, and Tess says, "No, I cannot at present. I am not fit for you." No, once again the same sense of guilt.
Yes.
No?
Inferiority.
And she finds Alec to be the only reason for her, not only for her fall, but also for her husband's position. Angel is also very unhappy. He has reduced a lot. He has suffered a lot, and for all these sufferings of her own self as well as the person whom she loves. No.
In fact, Tess projects everything that is wrong in her life with Alec, and then she murders him, thinking that
Yeah.
that will be the end of all misery.
No, she understands that this is the end of life. When I am not proper, I mean, I am not suitable for this kind of man for Angel. Of course, in the letter she frequently writes, "You come and accept me," and this and that. But time has passed, and she has been compelled to live as a kept in the lodgings.
Indeed.
No, Alec has almost seduced her quite often, and now she has lost perhaps that kind of physical purity, and she has nothing to offer perhaps except
She
the
considers herself unworthy of
unworthy. Yes,
Angel, and
Alec
Angel,
to be the
yes,
responsible
because he has
person.
reappeared, that it is very painful to Tess once again.
And one must agree that it's a cold-blooded murder. When she kills, Hardy doesn't write much about their death, much about the murder. No struggle is presented. Tess very coldly kills.
Yeah, but
Alec.
again, the problem was with a woman becoming so violent or becoming a criminal. So that added to the problems with
Actually,
the
to what
novel.
extent she has been teased?
She has
In the-
murdered a man.
In the eyes of the society, in
Society,
the eyes
it
of
was
the,
not
you can say
acceptable.
judiciary, it is a cold-blooded murder, but it is the reaction of
Of
a
what happened
long
to
suppressed
her. Just we
woman.
have to wind
Yes.
up. So, yes. There are some very suggestive symbols in the novel. Tess has been represented as the earth goddess. Her beauty, her purity.
How as we stated earlier, how the
Yes.
urbanization process
Yes.
destroyed the earth. Tess is not wrapped.
She is
Actually,
close to the
it is an
soil.
attack upon the natural beauty, the earth, which is
That
being
is-
ravished
Yes.
in the name of in the name of urbanization or industrialization.
Okay, when she was arrested, it was at the altar. So she has been also represented as the victim, a person who is sacrificed. From the
Yeah.
beginning, we can see that Tess has been sacrificed for the happiness of the family, for the society, for others. And there are some other images also which are presented like symbols: horse, cow, birds. They suggest some kind of catastrophe, some suffering in the human beings. So, the students, when you read this novel, please keep this in mind, that these are not just the details, but they are taken like symbols from nature. Now there are some film versions of this novel. This novel has been adapted for many films.
Unfortunately, we shall not be able
We
to show
are
them
not
the whole
able
clip
to show
because
you
of
the
some technical problems.
yes, but if you yes
The Stonehenge
adaptable
Palace,
to
the last,
yes
the
that
last
is-
scene, and very significantly, Hardy gives the title fulfillment to this phase of the novel.
Yes.
No, the novel is divided into 7 phases. Fulfillment, no, the fulfillment of Tess's life. No? How she loves Angel, that she knows that she is going to die, and she comes here and stops.
yes.
I cannot walk any further. They hide for a couple of days. Actually, I would not call it hiding. I would say that
But they are trying to save their life.
Tess was rather trying to live with her angel for the few days that she had. No,
She steals the happiness. She
yes,
steals the
trying
moments
to
of
freeze
happiness.
the moments of happiness, and she knows. She comes here. The picture that is visible on the clip.
In fact, she is
No?
full of life. She is beautiful. She has a strong mind, and with all these capacities, she has some weakness in the
And she
character.
says,
Yes.
she requests Angel that I know what shall happen to me, and it must happen. It shall
Yes,
happen.
she is ready to.
But if you accept,
death.
no, because she does not want her sister to become become another Tess,
Yes.
another helpless creature like her. No? And that is why when Angel accepts her, no, the last sentence and the last scene very nicely described. No, Angel accepts the proposal, and very beautifully Hardy closes the novel. Justice was done, and the president of Immortals, in Aeschylean phrase, had ended his sport with game.
Yes.
They play with us for their sport.
Okay.
It has ended. The game is
It's
over,
over.
and we find Angel having in his hand the hand of Liz.
Lisa
Yes,
Lu,
Lisa
yes.
Lu. That is the fulfillment of Tess's life, perhaps. No, fulfillment of love or fulfillment of married life. Thank you
Okay,
all
thank you,
viewers.
viewers.
Hope we have tried to justify the topic. Many
Please
things
go
could have
through
been
the
said.
text very carefully. It is an important text in the English literature, and along with Bernard Shaw, Thomas Hardy is an important writer who has given direction to a new woman in the West. So please have a happy reading with the text. Thank you so much for
Thank
being
you all
with us.
once again.
Thank you all.
Any questions? We welcome.
Any questions?